Another day, another story. Android mobile app development involves creating applications for smartphones and tablets that run on the Android operating system. The development process includes using specific programming languages, understanding different components and events, integrating with Firebase for back-end services, and deciding where to store projects. Programming languages. 1. Java. Java has been the traditional language for Android app development. It provides a strong foundation for building Android applications and has a large community of developers. 2. Kotlin. Kotlin is gaining popularity as a modern programming language for Android development. It offers concise syntax, enhanced safety features, and better interoperability with Java. Components and events. 1. Activities. Activities represent the different screens or UI elements of an app. They manage the user interface, respond to user interactions, and navigate between screens. 2. Fragments. Fragments are reusable UI components that can be combined within activities. They allow for modular UI designs and can be dynamically added or removed at runtime. 3. Views. Views are the building blocks of the user interface and represent visual elements such as buttons, text fields, or images. 4. Intents. Intents are used for communication between different components of an app. They can be used to start activities, launch services, or broadcast events. 5. Events. Events are actions or occurrences within an app that trigger specific responses. These can include button clicks, gestures, or system events like a network connection change. Firebase. Firebase is a comprehensive mobile and web development platform provided by Google. It offers a variety of back-end services and tools to simplify app development, including authentication, real-time database, cloud storage, cloud messaging, and more. Integration with Firebase allows developers to leverage these services and easily manage user authentication, store and sync data, and send notifications to users. Where to store projects. Projects that you'll make while learning Android app development, you can store them on platforms mentioned below. 1. Android projects are typically stored in a version control repository such as Git. Using platforms like GitHub or Bitbucket, developers can store their projects, track changes, collaborate with others, and easily manage different versions of their code. 2. Additionally, Android Studio, the official IDE for Android development, provides built-in support for version control systems and allows developers to directly integrate with Git repositories from within the IDE. I hope you found this information valuable and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents. Until next time, happy coding. Thanks for watching.